What's up, Tartlets? Megan here. How are you? Hi, welcome back to the Tarte channel. I'm really excited today because I get to play with a brand new product. This is our Skin Gloss Illuminator. This is a beautiful formula. You guys are gonna see how high shine and lit from within this will make you look. This is available on Tarte.com right now. So if you guys wanna see what this will do to this, keep on watching. I'm going in with our C Water Foundation. This is my favorite foundation. It's in the shade Tandy Golden, which is 48G. I really like it. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this. So I went ahead and put my umbrella on. We're back, and now I'm going to do a little bit of contouring. I'm going to be using Rich. So the look I'm going for was like this very cute faded lip and monochromatic, so using like the same color lip for blush. And to do that, I'm just taking our C lipstick in the shade Miami Vice. It's obviously like this great red, and I'm just going to pop some on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use this as blush. So now for the best part, I'm going in with our Skin Gloss Illuminator. I'm so excited to use this. And actually the warmth of your finger is what helps the product melt into the skin. So you don't need a brush, just use your finger. And I'm just going to apply this to, like already I have not blended it in obviously, but it just catches the light in such a gorgeous way. And look at that. I have no words. This is stunning, if I do say so myself. And it's not lifting the product underneath, it's just melting right on top. Ooh, wow, she's cute. Now I'm gonna step back for just a second and do the lip. And all I'm gonna do is take my Miami Vice, which we used as blush, and I'm just gonna pop it in the center of my mouth and just blend up a little bit, and then take my finger and blend out the rest. And guess what we're gonna do to top it off? And finally, I'm going in with our Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, my face. Alright guys, this is the final look. My cheeks look absolutely positively illuminated. I'm really over the matte, like I'm really over the super matte look, and I'm loving these kind of very hydrated looking looks, and I think that our illuminator really helps give you that ultra glassy gorgeous glow without picking up any texture on my cheeks, which usually happens with powder highlights. So this is a 10 of 10 for me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please leave ideas and things that you want to see down below, and I will see you guys next time.